Your decision to invest in solar power for your outdoor infrastructure services instead of using fossil fuel generated power is a vitally important one. You already know the intrinsic savings from not having to apply for permits, not having to trench or lay expensive copper cable just to connect to grid power. But that's not the end of the journey as far as making strategically important decisions goes concerning renewable energy. You need to decide who will be your partner on the journey to success with solar. Hi, my name's Andrew Rhodes and I lead the sales and marketing division here at PowerStack USA. I'd like to introduce you to the PowerStack concept of deployed intelligence and to walk you through the reasons to choose PowerStack USA as your long-term innovation and supply partner. With PowerStack USA, you have the leading innovator for supplying ruggedized, easy to deploy solar power for all your decentralized services within the built environment and beyond city limits. And we set ourselves apart from other suppliers with our ability to package the latest in connectivity developments right into our designs. That's deployed intelligence. Let me emphasize up front that quality, reliability and functionality are non-negotiables here at PowerStack. Behind me is a PowerStack column used by Cap Metro, the major public transport provider here in Austin, Texas, just one of our many public transport sector customers. This column powers lighting, surveillance system with analytics, and 4G connectivity enabling remote monitoring. Its deployment caused minimal disruption to the operations of the site and to the travelling public. So let's get back to your needs. As a thought leader, you care about the sustainability of your organisation, its business model, and its reputation as a responsible corporate citizen. Your supply chain partners therefore have to be a key element of that drive to responsible and sustainable operations. You need partners who will prove their ability to comply with your policies and collaborate with you. With PowerStack, you have a partner ready to support and align with your ESG goals and committed to supporting your efforts to further exploit renewable solar energy. Now here's what it means to choose PowerStack USA as your solar energy partner. You're working with a design leader with industry experience reaching back to 2009 and with a commitment to the solar and renewable industries for years to come. You'll be staying at the leading edge of solar power innovation with a company which paved the way for integrated solar power poles, all from our constant and continuing research and development activities. It means harnessing the latest advances in new technologies for artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and smart city applications. And you'll also leverage the expertise we've developed to provide solutions for the corporate, government, and the public sectors. With PowerStack USA, you'll benefit from sales professionals dedicated to making your project succeed by supplying world-class products and market-leading technology. So, with the other videos from my colleagues and with this message from me today, I trust the way forward to better solar solutions is now clearer for you. I'm Andrew Rhodes, and I'd like to invite you to the growing family of PowerStack customers.